All right, today I want to introduce you to a complete clutch system for the 21 and newer RZR turbo models. If it's got a turbo on it, 21 through 24 presently, then these are replacement clutches with the Dalton kit and our belt being optional. So who needs it and why are we selling it? First of all, there are people who just totally destroy clutches. They wear them out for whatever reason. Sometimes you just need to start completely over. There was a recall back in 21, and what you ended up actually getting, if I'm mistaken, it was this exact clutch, but we're selling you a 2024 OEM primary. This is not aftermarket. This is straight from a dealer locally. Secondary is, once again, factory Polaris. It is straight from a dealer locally. Our opinion for as clutch is, now not clutching, but clutch is, the OEM is the best route to go. At this moment, we have no plans to make our own turbo primary. It may change down the road, but we have no plans. And then once again, in our opinion, 20 years doing this, these are the best clutches you can put on there. The problem lies in clutching, because Polaris seems to continue to get the clutching part wrong. So in this start fresh for this, you're going to get a Dalton clutch kit that'll have your primary spring, secondary spring, adjustable flyweights, and it actually uses the factory helix in these. Optional, you'll see in the picture here. We're going to put a picture here of what you're getting. So in the picture here, you see this primary, secondary Dalton kit. There's a puller here and a Hunterworks belt, best on the planet. Thinks it's a good time to get one, and some secondary rollers. So the puller, belt, and rollers are optional at the bottom of the page. Also optional is an alignment tool. It's always a great idea to check alignment spacing when you're going this far. So we'll put that down in there as a option as well. Secondary rollers. These are not 100% critical on this particular model, but not a bad idea to go on and replace them with Hunterworks secondary rollers while you're at it. You know, sometimes just have to buy once, cry once, and be done with it. And hopefully this route, if you do all the pieces, then you'll be good to go for a long time. You know, we still can't control loosen up behind the steering wheel, but as far as the parts go, we can. The biggest thing that you need to know before you pull the trigger on these expensive clutches is these are 100% OEM Polaris clutches, and the clutches have no warranty. If you went to your dealer today and bought the same clutches, you go mess them up or whatever, you get to buy another one. And we're just simply making this an item of convenience. We possess them, same warranty as you would get there. However, one nice thing is we look at every single part, make sure it's good to go. There's not some factory defect in it before it ever leaves. You're not going to get that buying at a parts place or even at a dealership. They just hand it to you in the box. So if you need all new clutches for your 21 and newer RZR, check it out. If you got any questions, Todd at Hunterworks.com.